Hello class, so we're going to talk about the picture plane. And the picture plane is a mental concept that's going to help you understand how to draw observationally. Okay, it's a underlying assumption in observational drawing. And basically it's this imaginary transparent plane, okay, like a window, that lays in front of the artist's face. And what's behind that window is flattened out onto this 2D plane, and the artist is going to draw what they see on this 2D plane onto the flat paper. And of course there's interpretation in what they draw from the plane onto the paper, but this mental concept helps you to understand what you're trying to do. Okay, and some artists have utilized actual picture planes, and here's an example. Okay, so the artist has this gridded window. The artist draws through it and then transfers what they see onto the grid, onto their paper. Okay, and some instructors have their students use plastic picture planes, for their first project, so they can understand what this means in a literal way. Okay, so they'll have them draw on a picture plane and then transfer what they drew onto their paper. Okay, and we're going to watch a video of somebody that uses an actual picture plane. We won't be using an actual picture plane, but just to give you an idea. And as you can see, the hand, okay, it's three-dimensional, but it's flattened out onto this plastic plane. And from one angle, she's looking at it and she's drawing the edges. Okay. And now we're not going to be using picture planes like this, but you're going to kind of imagine what you're seeing being flattened out onto a window. Okay, and then you could draw from this. Okay, but remember, you're not going to be actually using a physical picture plane. You're just imagining it happening. Hello class, so I'm going to show you how to draw this plate from this angle, as if it was flattened on the picture plane. I just want to give you an idea of what the plate looks like. Okay, just a standard plate, on a little table here. Now, one way you could draw this plate would be to draw it like this. Okay, as a circle. It's a plate. Why wouldn't you not draw it like this as a circle? However, if you're looking at it from the angle we were, and it was flattened on the picture plane, it wouldn't look like this. Okay, it would look like this. So to help you visualize the picture plane, I closed the window. And you're not going to have to draw with the window in front of you, okay? But you're going to be imagining it, and you're going to be transferring that flattened image onto your paper. So I'm going to literally shut the window and then draw on the window to show you what you're doing when you're flattening this plate on the picture plane. And this may not line up perfectly with the camera on the window, but just to give you an idea of the process, I'm going to trace this out from my angle, which will be different from your angle. Okay, and I'm going to take this camera up close to show you how this lines up. Okay, and you can see how that plate is flattened out on this window. Okay, and you're transferring that flattened image onto your paper.